The kitchen remodel we are about to show you falls within one of our favorite categories of remodel projects, a historic home. Investing in a historic home comes with a lot of interesting challenges, but for those who live in one, they can't imagine any other place to be. And incredible details like built-in cabinetry, custom woodwork, gorgeous hardware, and unique layouts to the home all become the things we love most about them. If you own a historic property, you know you do not want just anybody coming in to do work in your home. And you certainly want to make any updates with the spaces to respect the original home and its history anytime you can. But let's cut right to it. This isn't groundbreaking news, but old homes, even large old homes, can have very, very small and secluded kitchens. So you need an expert team to help you make the most of your unique space. There are so many incredible properties in the Quad Cities region that deserve the quality design, product, and craftsmanship that the Village Home Stores team can provide you with. This kitchen remodel in Geneseo, Illinois is an excellent example of an updated space with an appropriate respect to the property. Take a look. This historic home in Geneseo, Illinois has a long history, and remodeling the kitchen has now become a part of its story. Our goal was to update the layout and functional elements of the kitchen without losing the historic character that the space deserves. Take a look at where we came from. Here are some before photos of the kitchen we replaced. It may seem like we removed walls to make this room larger, but we just used brighter finishes, added a lighting plan, and even added more cabinetry than the original design. The new kitchen is stunning and classic. The completed new layout now includes a back wall with cooking center and a refrigerator wall with pantry area. Updates were also made to the walk-in pantry, a new single-level island with sink was installed, and a new hutch area in a corner nook. A timeless flat panel white kitchen cabinet remains the most classic of choices for all tastes and styles. Here in this historic property, it looks right at home. The prairie door style from our Cook Classic line is painted in a white finish. The kitchen island is installed in the Vicksburg door in a rustic hickory wood and driftwood finish. This soft gray stain looks great, and it allows the hickory grain to be highlighted. The focal point of this kitchen design is the back wall of the kitchen. At the center, a custom wood hood is installed above the range and cooktop. Just beyond the main cooking center wall is an area of the kitchen that has been transformed completely. What used to be an alcove area with some open shelving is now a gorgeous new built-in hutch. Looking perfectly at home in this historic property, this built-in area has a combination of glass door cabinets and open shelves. It is lit by our best-selling diode LED tape light system. Installed throughout the kitchen as under-cabinet lighting, the low-profile, low-voltage lighting also is installed in the glass door and open shelf cabinets. We realize we may sound like a broken record in this show every time we mention this lighting, but seriously, it is a key element in why projects like this look so great day and night. Including this great lighting is such an important part of showcasing the investments you've made in your home. Of course, the wall surfaces here also got a new look. Goodbye T-Rose wallpaper and hello classic white subway tile. When we remodel a kitchen, we often find all kinds of interesting things as we demo the space. In this home, we found a very good hint as to when the kitchen was last updated. It must have been sometime ahead of the Geneseo Green Machine's 1981 season. Another nod to the history of this home is the use of moldings and decorative details. Adding wood accents doesn't mean they have to be heavy, scrolled, or carved elements. In this case, a subtle style of mantel and bracket was used on the range hood. These choices add style and complement the cabinet door style. A large, single-level island is at the center of the new kitchen. It is home to the kitchen sink and dishwasher. A curved overhang on the back of the island is available for casual seating. A great modern update to this kitchen is hidden in plain sight in the island. A low-profile disposal button operates the garbage disposal without having to open a cabinet door or traveling to the end of the island to switch. Modern upgrades like this should always be considered when remodeling. Ask yourself what upgrades or features suit your lifestyle and could help you enjoy your spaces better. The Apron farm sink has found its way to be included in many styles of kitchen spaces within the past few years. But where it began is its demand and influence from projects just like this one. An old world look inspired by the large cast iron farm sinks of the past. We love the look of this Kohler single well Whitehaven sink. The lighting above the kitchen island also helps to keep the kitchen feeling open and bright. Two pendants hang above the island in a polished nickel finish. The finish of the lights allow light to bounce off of them, and the open frame of the style of the lights allow your eyes to look right through them. Polished chrome and nickel finishes blend very well with stainless elements and can help add a more classic and historic look to the overall design. A stainless steel appliance suite brings the professional level of cooking and food storage to this updated space. A 36-inch wide dual-fuel commercial style range by Kitchenaid is at the center of this design and all of your attention. Dual fuel allows you the precise control of a gas cooktop and the consistent temperature control of an electric oven. Built-in microwaves can really become the unsung heroes of kitchen spaces like this. The cooking wall in this kitchen includes a microwave drawer by Sharp. Imagine instead if we had a microwave hood on this wall. That would be a totally different look, wouldn't it? All of these great new kitchen features are installed onto a very fun flooring surface choice. A brick look ceramic tile from our Chicago brick line is installed in the South Side colorway, with a mix of city names installed at random. This tile gives a unique look of an old brick floor, but it is durable and easy to clean. We have the same tile installed in the Village showroom, so do stop by and see it in person. Every renovation, small or large, becomes an entry into the timeline of a property, and we are honored to now be a part of this home's history. We thank these customers for trusting our team with their remodel project.